ఈ క్లాస్లో మనం ఎక్సైజ్ 1.1 చెప్పుకుంటున్నాం. అందులో 4th క్వశ్చన్, యూజ్ యూక్లిడ్స్ లెమ్మా టు షో దట్ ద క్యూబ్ ఆఫ్ ఎనీ పాజిటివ్ ఇంటిజర్ ఈజ్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫార్మ్ 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So first of all, Euclid's lemma. That is a equal to bq plus r, comma 0 less than or equal to or less than b. Here b value 9. So r value of them 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because r value less than b. So now if r equal to 0, first one equal to 0. So r equal to 0. From this equation a equal to bq plus r, b means 9, 9q plus r value 0. So a equal to 9q. From question, cube of any positive integer. So cube on both sides. Cube on both sides. So a cube equal to 9q whole cube. So a cube equal to 9 cube in the sense 9 into 9 square q cube. So 9 square q cube. Let 9 square q cube equal to m. So a cube equal to 9m. Next one, r equal to 1. If r equal to 1, a equal to 9q plus 1. From this equation b equal to 9, 9q plus r value 1. So 1. So cubing on both sides, a cube equal to 9q plus 1 whole cube. This is in the form of a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus 3ab into a plus b plus b cube. So 9q whole cube plus 3, 9q into 1 bracket 9q plus 1 plus 1 cube. So this is explained with the help of a plus b whole cube. Now 9q whole cube written in the form of 9 into 9 square q cube, 9 square q cube plus 9 into 3q bracket 9q plus 1 plus 1. So from these two terms 9 is common. So common the 9, remaining 9 square q cube plus 3q into 9q plus 1 bracket plus 1. So this is take this one is m. So a cube equal to 9m plus 1. Next, so and so on. Next, take r equal to 2, take r equal to 3, take r equal to 4, take r equal to 5. So finally we take r equal to 3. So from r equal to 3, a equal to 9q plus 8. So cubing on both sides, a cube equal to 9q plus 8 whole cube. So this is in the form of a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus 3ab into a plus b plus b cube. So a square equal to 9q whole cube plus 3, 9q into 8 bracket 9q plus 8 plus 8 cube. So 9q whole cube written in the form of 9 into 9 square q cube plus 9 into 3 8s are 24 cube bracket 9q plus 8 plus 8 cube means 512. First 512 divided with 9, we get remainder 8. Quotient is 56. So write in the same plus 512 is written in the form of 9 into 56 plus 8. From these three terms 9 is common. So common the 9, remaining terms are right here plus last one is 8. Last one is 8. So take this term totally equal to m. So totally a cube equal to 9m plus 8. Therefore, what do you observe? So cube of any positive integer, cube of any positive integer in the form of 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Next, 5th question, show that one and only out of n, n plus 2, n plus 4 is divisible by 3 where n is any positive integer. Let b equal to 3, n is any positive integer. Let b equal to 3. Now n equal to bq plus r, 0 less than equal to r less than b. Here b equal to 3. So r equal 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. Now if r equal 0, so n equal to 3q plus r value 0. So n equal to 3q, n equal to 3q. This is which is divisible by 3, because 3 into q, so divisible by 3. If add 2 on both sides, so n plus 2 equal to 3q plus 2, not divisible by 3. If add 4 on both sides, so n plus 4 equal to 3q plus 4, what happened? Not divisible by 3, because 3q is a multiple of 3, so add 2, it is not divisible by 3. For example, 6 plus 2 8, 8 is not divisible by 3. Next, if r equal to 1, so n equal to 3q plus 1, so not divisible by 3, not divisible by 3. Next, n plus 2 equal to 3q plus 1 plus 2 equal to 3q plus 3. So ఇక్కడ 3 ఉంది, ఇక్కడ 3 ఉంది కాబట్టి divisible by 3. Next, n plus 4, if you add 4 both sides, 3q plus 1 plus 4, so equal to 3q plus 5, so not divisible by 3. If r equal to 2, so what happened? n equal to 3q plus 2, so not divisible by 3. So add 2 both sides, n plus 2 equal to 3q plus 2 plus 2 equal to 3q plus 4. This is also not divisible by 3. If you add 4 both sides, n plus 4 equal to 3q plus 2 plus 4 equal to 3q plus 6. So it is divisible by 4. Divisible by 3. Therefore what happened? 1 and only out of n plus 2, n plus 4 is divisible by 3. అంటే ఈ మూడాట్లో ఏదో ఒకటి మాత్రమే అయితే n ఇక్కడ డివిజిబుల్ అవుతుంది, ఇక్కడ అవ్వట్లేదు n plus 2, n plus 4. ఇక్కడ n plus 2 అవుతుంది, n అవ్వట్లేదు, n plus 4 అవ్వట్లేదు. ఇక్కడ n plus 2 డివిజిబుల్ అవ్వట్లేదు, ఇక్కడ n plus 4 మాత్రం డివిజిబుల్ అవుతుంది. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఇవ్వబడిన 3 వాటిల్లో n plus 2, n plus 4లో ఒకటి మాత్రమే 3తో డివిజిబుల్ అవుతుంది. సో నెక్స్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ కాన్సెప్ట్, ఫండమెంటల్ థియరమ్ ఆఫ్ arithmetics. What is fundamental theorem of arithmetics? Every composite number can be expressed or written in the form of product of primes, and this factorization is unique apart from the order in which the prime factor occur. That means, for example, 4 is the one of the composite number. 4 equal to 2 2 is 4, so 2 into 2. So every composite number can be written in the form of product of prime numbers. అంటే కాంపోజిట్ నెంబర్స్ని ప్రైమ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ కింద రాయడమే ఫండమెంటల్ థియరమ్ ఆఫ్ అర్థమెటిక్స్. అంటే అది కాంపోజిట్ నెంబర్ మాత్రమే ఉండాలి, కాంపోజిట్ నెంబర్స్ మాత్రమే మనం ప్రొడక్ట్ ఆఫ్ ప్రైమ్స్ కింద రాస్తాము. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 36 2 table, 2 18s are 36, 2 table, 2 9s are 18, 3 table, 3 3s are 19. So 2 into 3 into 3. So these are prime numbers. So 36 is equal to written in the form of product of primes. So this type is called fundamental theorem of arithmetics. ఇప్పుడు మనం ఎక్సర్సైజ్కి వెళ్ళిపోయాము. ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 1.2 ద ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఈ విధంగా ఇచ్చాడు. ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ ఈచ్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫాలోయింగ్ నంబర్స్ యాజ్ ప్రొడక్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్స్ ప్రైమ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్. ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ ఈచ్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫాలోయింగ్ numbers as product of its prime factors. For example, first one 140. So 140 2 table 70 times, 2 35 70s, so 5 7s are 35. ఇంకా మనకి ఏ విధంగా రాయలేం. సో 140 equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. This is the formation of product of prime numbers. Next one, second one 156. 156. So 156 2 table 78 times, 2 table 39 times, so 3 table 13 times. So 156 equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 13. Next, third one 3825. 3825. So 3825 equal to, so last number is 5, so divisible with 5. So 5 7s are 35, remaining 3, 32 6 times 30, 25 5 times 765, again with 5 1s are 5, remain 26 5 times 15 3 times, again with 3 5s are, so 3 1s are, again with 3 1s are, 3 7s are. So 3825 equal to 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 17. In order 3 cube into 5, sorry 3 square into 5 square into 17. 3 square into 5 square into 17. Next question 5005. So 5005, 5 table 1001. So 7 table 7 1s are 7, remaining 3, 30 lo 4 times 28, 21 lo 3 times 143. So 11 table 1 time, next 33 3 times. So 5005 equal to 5 into 7 into 11 into 13. Next, fifth one 7429. 7429. So 7429. So 9 17 times, 17 4s are 68, remainder 62. So 3 times 51, remainder 11, 119 7 times. So 19 times, 19 2s are 38, remainder 57. 3 times 19 3s are 57. So 7429 equal to 17 into 19 into 23. These are the solutions of prime factor method. Second Roman, find LCM HCF by prime factorization method. So here first question 12 comma 15 comma 21. So 12 equal to 2 into 2 into 3, that equal to 2 cube, so 2 square into 3. 15 equal to 3 into 5. 21 equal to 3 into 7. Therefore HCF means highest common factor. Common factor ante 3 ikkada undi. So 3. Therefore LCM remaining. So 3 విధంగా రౌండ్ అప్ చేస్తే రిమైనింగ్ ఉంటే 2 square into 3 into 3 into 5 into 7. So this is the LCM of the 12, 15, 21. So 2 cube, so 2 square 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, 36 into 5 7s are 35, 36 into 35, 5 6 are 30, 3 15 3 18, 3 6 are 18, 1 3 3s are 9 1 10, 0 6 1 2 1 1 2 6 0, 1 2 6 0. Next second question 17 comma 23 comma 29. So 17 equal to 1 into 17 game railem. 23 equal to 1 into 23. So 29 equal to 1 into 29, because these are all prime numbers. These are all prime number. So therefore HCF equal to 1, LCM equal to 17 into 23 into 29. 17 into 23 into 29 equal to 7429. ఇందా మనం నెక్స్ట్ ఇంత సమ్లో మనం చేసాం మనం ఇది 7429. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఫోర్త్ వన్. సో థర్డ్ వన్ 8, 9, 25. So 8 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 equal to 2 cube. 9 equal to 3 into 3 equal to 3 square. 25 equal to 5 into 5 equal to 5 square. Therefore HCF, so common గా మనకి ఎఫెక్ట్ లేదు కాబట్టి 1. సో LCM equal to 8 into 9 into 25. సో 8 25 200, 200 9s 1800. Next one, fourth one, 72 and 108. So 72 equal to 72 వెళ్ళొచ్చు మనం 72 2 36. So 2 18s, 2 9s are 3 3s are. So how many 2s? 2 cube into 3 is 2 10 3 square. Next 108 equal to 108 వెళ్ళొచ్చు మనం 2 table 54 times, 2 table 27 times, 3 table 9 times, 3 table 10 times. So 2 square into 3 cube. Therefore HCF means lowest powers, కామన్ లోయెస్ట్ పవర్స్. ఇక్కడ 2 ఉంది, ఇక్కడ 2 ఉంది, కానీ పవర్స్ తక్కువ ఏముంది 2 స్క్వేర్ ఉంది. సో 2 స్క్వేర్ ఇంటూ అలాగే ఇక్కడ 3 కామన్ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ 3 కామన్ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ లోయెస్ట్ పవర్ దేనికి ఉంది 3 ఉంది కాబట్టి 3 స్క్వేర్. సో 2 స్క్వేర్ ఇంటూ 3 స్క్వేర్. సో 2 స్క్వేర్ వాల్యూ 4, 3 స్క్వేర్ వాల్యూ 9, 4 9s are 36. LCM, so these two are going to HCF, remaining LCM. So 2 cube into 3 cube. 2 cube value 8, 3 cube value 27 equal to 216 equal to 216. సో ఈ క్వశ్చన్ మనకి ఎక్కువ సార్లు ఇచ్చారు కాబట్టి ఇది కొంచెం అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. ఫిఫ్త్ క్వశ్చన్ 306 and 657. 306 equal to 306 2 table 15 times and 2 3s are 6. 3 table 5 times and 1 time. 3 table 1 time and 7 times equal 2 into 3 square into 17. Next 657 equal to 657. So 3 table 2 times, so 1 time 27 9 times. Again with 3 table 3 7s are 3s are. So equal to 3 into 3 into 73 equal to 3 square into 73. Therefore HCF, highest common factor is 3 square. So 3 square equal to 9. So LCM remaining ఏమన్నాయి 2 3 square 17 ఇక్కడ 73. The total is 22 338. 22 338.